subscribe this channel, enable bell button for seeing my videos. We can go to Play Store and download this app. The app name is High Tech. The first one it is. Okay, you should download this. Yeah, its rating is 4.3. So many app like that, it's another. Okay, you can download that also. Yeah, it will show like this for minutes. Then you can click the open button and open it. Now it's opened and it will show like this. Yeah, it wait for sometimes. The blank will go and the app will work. Yeah, it will show like this for some times because the app needs loading, and it will show like this for a minute. Yeah, because it will show like this for its processing, and it will loading, and it will show like this for some times. Wait and see. This is our high-tech app. This is our menu, and you can click the center button here. Then it will go to the thumb color. You can change. See, I'm changing to red. Wow, it's awesome. And you can change background also. I'm taking this. Oh, this is awesome. See this. You can go to